If the elements of nature could walk, I would design their steps. A story where water, air, earth, and fire find their rhythm through form, color, and motion. Water, calm yet alive. In this design, the curves move like waves, a seamless melody of transparency and motion. Its rhythm flows endlessly, transparent, fluid, and free. The asymmetric lines on the upper echo the rising current, while the translucent blue material reflects pure serenity. Every step is like walking on a reflection, soft, lucid, infinite. Air, unseen yet always present. It moves with lightness and whispers of freedom. Here, spiral lines rise upward, as if the shoe itself wants to float. The mesh fabric lets the wind breathe through it. And 3 silver feathers dance along its surface, free to move, free to change, just like the wind. This is not a shoe made to walk, it's made to fly. Earth, steady, grounded, and eternal. It holds every story that time has written. I designed this ankle boot with layers of strength, horizontal lines that mirror the layers of the soul, each one a memory of depth and stability. The velvet texture brings warmth. Its gradient from dark brown to light sand, like a horizon carved in silence. A design that stands with quiet power. And then comes fire, bold, restless, full of motion. Its lines are sharp and rising, like the flames that never stop reaching for the sky. The sculpted heel burns in orange light, while the glossy red leather blazes with energy. This design was born to move, to ignite passion, to never stay still, a flame that lives in every step. Together, these 4 designs form one heartbeat, a balance between movement and stillness, between chaos and calm.